Hello physicists and welcome. In this session we'll be looking at using proportional reasoning to solve a impulse and change in momentum problem. Let's get started. On a 747 jet airplane, 4 engines are required for the airplane to achieve takeoff velocity in 40 seconds. If only 3 engines are working, how much time is required for takeoff? You can assume each engine supplies the same amount of force. Hey, so we're looking for how much time. So in our proportional reasoning, I'm going to go ahead and circle that. How much time? Let's see what we know. Hey, our force. Originally we had 4 engines of force. Now we only have 3 engines. Hey, our coefficient for that would be, I'll say 3/4, or another way we could say it is 0.75. Hey, we have to achieve the same velocity and the same mass, so we have the same change in momentum from rest to takeoff velocity. So I'm going to put a 1 there, and then time is what we're looking for here. Let's go ahead and put in our numbers. Hey, so our force, we know that this is going to be, what is happening here? Sorry about that. 3/4. Our change in momentum is 1. So we have to ask ourselves, hey, what number divided, 1 divided by what number is equal to 3/4? And I kind of do that quickly by using the idea that I can either divide by a fraction or multiply by its reciprocal. And I find that the time is 4/3, which kind of makes sense. That's more than 1. It would probably take a little bit longer to go down the runway. So I'll put this, my coefficient, 4/3. Let's go ahead. So I'll bring this stuff down here. So 4/3 times delta t is equal to 4/3. I could express this as a decimal. What is that going to be? 1.33 is a decimal as well. But 4/3 times my original value, where is that? Over here, 40 seconds. Gives me my new value. I put that in the calculator. 4 times 40 divided by 3, I find out it's just about 53 seconds. Hey, we can go and fill this stuff now. My original time was 40 seconds. My new time, 53 seconds. Hey, so I'll put in my written description of what's happening here. Hey, so let's take a look at that written description. If only 3 of 4 engines, sorry about that, on a 747 are working, takeoff time will increase by 1.33 times from 40 to 53 seconds. That's physics for now.